attaining the ACCA award as the best accounting student of Nkumba University. Congratulations. By the order of the Board of Trustees, and by virtue of the authority vested in me, I confer upon you, Bishop Karamaladi Masembe, the degree of Doctor in Philosophy in Procurement Management of Nkumba University, and admit you to the honors, right, privileges, and obligations pertaining hereto. I congratulate you. Let me take this opportunity to congratulate you, your parents, guardians, who have unconditionally met your tuition fees and provided you with all your needs to see you through this academic phase. They have made sacrifices for which the best appreciation is you to graduate today. Our Chief Guest, Honorable Minister, this year, the ratio of the male and female graduates are 50-50. 9 students will receive PhDs.